Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, Clash of Clans is an amazing game, and it's natural to want to play it on a bigger display, like your computer monitor. A lot of players have been asking about a dedicated web browser version, especially looking ahead to 2025. While the official stance hasn't changed much yet, let's dive into what's currently available and what we might expect in the near future for getting your clan action onto a desktop experience. It's an exciting thought for many players. As of today, the official way to play Clash of Clans is strictly through your smartphone or tablet. Supercell has developed it specifically for iOS and Android, so you won't find a dedicated website where you can simply log in and play using your web browser. This can be a bit disappointing for those who prefer playing on a larger screen or who don't always have their phone handy. Understanding this official limitation is the first step when thinking about alternatives for the future. Since there isn't an official web version, many dedicated players turn to Android emulators. Programs like BlueStacks or LD Player are quite popular. They create a virtual Android device right on your desktop. This means you can download Clash of Clans just like you would on your phone, then play it using your computer's mouse and keyboard. It's a widely accepted unofficial workaround that gives you that bigger screen experience. Even though it's not a true web browser version, it works really well for many. Looking ahead to 2025, one promising avenue that comes closest to website play is cloud gaming. If Clash of Clans were to be added to a cloud gaming service, you could potentially stream the game directly through your web browser, turning any device with a good internet connection into a gaming machine. Additionally, there's always the possibility that Supercell might release an official PC client for platforms like Steam or the Windows Store, making desktop play truly native. These options are more probable for the future than a pure, direct web-based version. To stay informed about any official ways to play Clash of Clans on non-mobile devices, always keep an eye on Supercell's official news channels. While emulators provide a great way to enjoy the game on your computer right now, nothing beats an official, native release or full cloud gaming integration. The world of gaming is constantly changing, and who knows what 2025 might bring for our favorite mobile strategy game. Keep those armies strong and your devices ready for the next update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.